Good afternoon, my dear students. All are ready for our English class? Okay. Please take your textbook and notebook. Okay? Okay. In previous class, we studied about the chapter, the story, the clever farmer. The clever farmer. Today, we are going to learn the vocabulary and grammar portions of the clever farmer. Okay, please take your textbook and page number 17. Okay, read and write, fill in the blanks. Okay, please listen. First question, fill in the blanks. The first question, the farmer had a big dash full of mango and coconut trees. The farmer had a big dash. Farmer had a big dash full of mangoes and coconut trees. Yes? What is the answer? Yes. Farm. Big farm. Farmer had a big farm. First answer. F-A-R-M. Farm. Okay. Farm. What is the meaning of farm? Yes. The land for the cultivation of plants. That is the farm. Yes. Second question, please listen. The farmer said, I have hidden a dash in the farm. Dash in the farm. Yes, answer is treasure. Second answer is treasure. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. Treasure. Okay. Yes. Next, third question. The son dug deep into where the digging the farmer's sons? Yes, ground. The son dug deep into the ground. Third answer, G-R-O-U-N-T, ground. Okay, yes. Next, fourth question. The merchant was amazed to see yes, harvest. Fourth question, answer, harvest. Okay. Next, last question. The son understood the importance of hard work. Fifth answer, hard work. This is the message for in this story. We studied the message for the hard work. Okay. Yes, hard work. Okay. Please write on your textbook and copy to our notebook. And okay. Okay. Please send, all of you send the notebook today itself. Okay, next B. Answer these questions. First question, why was the farmer unhappy? Why was the farmer unhappy? Yes, the farmer was unhappy because his sons were lazy and could not or would not work. Okay. Okay. All of you finish this work? Yes. Answer, first answer. I write answer only in the board. You write the questions also on your notebook. Okay. Okay. Why was the farmer unhappy? Okay. Answer, the farmer was unhappy. Because Because his sons were lazy and would not work. His sons were lazy, L-A-Z-Y, lazy, and would not work. Would not work. Okay. The farmer was unhappy because his sons were lazy and would not work. Okay. Okay. Next question. Next question. Why did the farmer's son start to digging the soil? Why did the farmer's sons start to digging the soil? The farmer's sons started digging the soil because the farmer's sons started digging the soils because they were looking for the treasure. They were looking for the treasure. Okay, the farmer's sons started to digging they were looking for the treasure. Okay, the farmer's son started to digging. They were looking for the treasure. Okay. Third question. What did the son ask the father? What did the son ask the father? The son asked the father if they could sell the fruits from the farm. Okay. The son asked their father if they could sell the fruits from the farm. Okay, fourth one. What did the merchant say to the farmer's son? What did the merchant say to the farmer's sons? The merchant said that he had never seen such a harvest. He had never seen such a harvest. Okay. The merchant means shopkeeper. M-E-R-C-H-A-N-T. Merchant say, converted to said. Merchant said that he had never seen such a wonderful harvest. Wonderful harvest. Okay, he had never seen such a wonderful harvest. Okay, next. What the treasure did the son find? What the treasure did the son find? The sons found that the treasure lesson they learnt about the importance of the hard work was the treasure. Okay, importance of the, they learned a lesson on the about the importance of the hard work was the treasure. Okay, yes. The sons found, fifth one, sons found, F-O-U-N-T, found that the lesson L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson they learned about L-E-A-R-N-T, learned about the importance of hard work was the treasure. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E, importance as the treasure. Okay, yes. Next one, please listen your grammar and vocabulary. We can see a yellow box on your textbook, page number 17. Please listen. Some words tell you where the person, animal, things is. Where the person, animal, thing is. Some words tell you where the person, where the animal, where the thing is known as the. These words are called prepositions. These words are called the prepositions. Example, at the door, above the house, in the water, up the tree, up the star. Okay. Yes, some words tell you where the person, animal or things, which they here the noted the position of the person, animal or things. These words are called prepositions. These words are called prepositions. Okay, please listen. Okay. Some words, preposition. Preposition means prepositions. What do you mean by preposition? Some words tell you where a person, animal or thing is. These words are called preposition. Some words tell you where. W-H-E-R-E, where a person, animal or thing is called preposition. Okay, here denote the position of a animal, position of a thing or position of a person is known as the preposition. Okay, please take your page number 18 and look at this picture and read the preposition used from this. Okay, first one, the apples are on the tree. Apples are on the tree. On the tree. Here on is preposition. On the tree. Okay. The apples are on the tree. Next one. The bird is in the nest. The bird is in the nest. The bird is in the nest. Okay, here second one, in. In is preposition. Okay. Next, third one. The cat is under the bed. The cat is under the bed. Okay. Under the bed. The cat is under the bed. Okay. Yes. Next one. The kitten is hiding behind the door. Behind. Behind the door. All sentence here, all sentences denoted the position of a animals. In this sentence, from this sentence, all these denoted the position of a animals or things or persons. Okay. Okay. The puppy is sleeping near the table. Next one, near. Near the table. Okay. Near the table. Okay, last one. There is a bridge over the river. Over the river. 6-1, over. Some prepositions are the on, in, under, behind, near, over. Okay, on, in, under, behind, near, over are the prepositions. Okay, okay. Please write these prepositions sentence are in your notebook. Okay. Next one, page number 19. Look at the words in the box. Find rhyming word for each of them in the words. First one is the goats. First one is the goats. The rhyming word is bought. B-O-A-T. Bought. Okay, rhyming word is bought. Next one, boys. Boys. Next one is boys. The rhyming word is next one is boys. The rhyming word toys. Here please, toys. T-O-Y-S. Okay. Next word, tall. Tall. Please find this rhyming word from this. Tall, wall. Okay. Next word is mug. Please find this rhyming word, jug. Where is jug? Okay. Jug. Okay. Next, dish. The same word is like to same word is fish. Okay. Where is the fish? F. Okay. Fish. Okay. 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 Next, listen to your teacher. Read out few sentences. Write the missing words. Sheila baked a baking. Okay, baked a cake. Sheila baked a cake. Have you finished this work? Yes. Sheila baked a cake. C-A-K-E. Next one. The book was dash the table. Okay, here we fill the preposition. Okay, the books was on the table. To second one, on the table. Third one, I have a dash doll. I have a beautiful doll, or I have a pretty doll. I have a pretty doll. P R E T T Y, pretty doll. Fourth one, my mother has gone to the, yes, gone to the market or shop. Here shop, S-H-O-P, S-H-O-P, shop. Okay, work with your partner. Okay, where do you live? I live in Chennai. Please try to or practice this type of words in your, in your home, at your home. And you may use this question: what is your name? How old are you? Which class are you in? How many people are in your family? Do you have any brothers or sisters? What you do in your free time? Please write the appropriate answer on your notebook and send it. Okay, please write. Okay, next one. Okay, help the bubbles be reached at home. Please draw the line onto the home of the bee. Bee means honey bee. Okay, honey bee. Please please try to, or please help this honey bee to find its home. Okay, okay. Next, please take your page number 45. Okay, in previous class we studied about the verbs also. Okay, today we are going to studying ing words. Ing words. We add ing, the words when we talk about the action that is taking place now. Ing, we add the ing, the actions about taking place now. Taking place now. Okay, example, Anida is drawing a picture. That's taking place now. Okay, INGs are adding on the words, the taking place, actions that are taking place in the now. Okay, we are adding the ING this word was fall. Fall. Okay, falling. Fall, falling. Okay, okay. Next, sleep. Okay, sleeping. Okay, next one, eat. ING word, eating. Okay, please turn the page. Okay, next, sing. S-I-N-G. Singing. Singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing. Singing a song. Okay. Next, play. Play. Playing. Play. Playing. Walk. Walking. Okay, jump, jumping, read, reading, climb, climbing. Okay, next, exercise L. Fill in the blanks the correct form of verbs in the brackets. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct form of brackets. Okay. Please write these words: climb, C-L-I-M-B, climbing; read, reading; jump, jumping. Okay. Okay, next one. Prepositions. Okay, and page number 47. Please listen. Where is the ball in each these pictures? Select the correct preposition. Where is the ball in each of these picture? Circle the correct preposition. Okay. Here we circle the ball is between the chair and table. Okay. Between. First one is between. First one between. Between is the preposition. Okay. Between. Next, second, the ball is near the chair. Okay. Second one is near. Okay. Third one. The ball is in the bucket. The ball is in the bucket. Okay. Third one. Please circle in. Okay. Fourth one. The ball is on the bat. Ball is on the bat. Fourth one. On. Fifth one. The ball is under the table. Ball is under the table. Fifth one, under. Okay, sixth one, the ball is behind the sofa, behind the chair. The ball is behind the chair. Sixth one, behind. Okay, first one is between the table and chair. Second one is near the chair. Third one is in the bucket. Fourth one is on the bed. Fifth one under the table. Sixth one behind the chair or behind the sofa. Okay, what if you understood? Okay, next one is the page number 46, exercise L. Okay. The Manu is dash the newspaper. Manu is dash the newspaper. In the bracket we get the read. Please write the fill in the blanks with the correct form of verb. Okay, we add the ing form of the read, that is the reading. Reading. Okay. Second one, Granny is dash the shirt. Answer is stitching. SITITCHING. Stitching. Okay. Third one, the children are dash their exam. Studying. Okay. Fourth one, Neha is dash towards the door. Walking. Fifth one, the dog is dash with J. Playing. Okay. Okay, students. Today we learned the fill in the blanks, question answer, prepositions and its exercises, and ing words. Okay, ing form of words. Okay, I hope all of you had understood today's class. Please listen and study well. Okay, see you next class. Okay, thank you.